2000 Toyota Tundra V8. I think it's got the 5.6, I'm not sure. But anyways, it's got two catalytic converters. It's a 2001 there and one there, as you guys can see. Then it was into a single. Then we kept the resonator on. The guy's a little bit older, doesn't want it too loud, so we kept the resonator on and did a MAGNAFLOW single in to dual out, 14-inch body muffler, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back right there, and all the way back right there, into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. Toyota Tundra 2000. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And please smash that subscribe button. I hear the manifold. What's the sound you were looking for? He didn't want it loud at all. He wanted barely a low minimum, a low tone. It's at 101. That's perfect. Yeah, it won't drone too much or nothing. It'll be just a nice. And over in about 30 days, it breaks in, gets a little bit louder.
Okay. It's really nice. I really like it. You're really digging.
Yeah. He's fixing those headers. He's gonna put headers on it. Can't talk today. Still sounds good though. Nice. Tell us what you guys think. MAGNAFLOW, 4-inch tips. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra V8.